Hello everyone, welcome to day 2 of Snap Habits work from home or office exercise routine. This time we're going to work on stretches again, but we're going to focus on the lower body, which means you might need a stool for this routine that we're going to do today. So grab one if you got one. If you don't worry, and check out the videos. First stretch that we have is a hip flexor stretch. Place one foot in front of the other. Tuck your hips or tailbone underneath you and then lean forward until you feel a stretch on the front of your back leg. We have a hamstring stretch coming up next. Place your leg on a small stool or keep it on the ground. Keep your back straight, knees straight, and lean forward like you're going to touch your toe. Stretch number 3 is going to be a forward fold with our legs spread wide. Spread your legs out and then slowly bend forward like you're touching your hands to the floor. We're going to round this exercise routine out with a calf stretch. Place both your hands on the wall, stagger your stance, straighten the back knee of your leg, and then lean forward until you feel a stretch in the back of your lower leg, or the calf area. Thanks for joining me on day 2. Remember, make healthy habits together with Snap Habit.